Hello, my flowers, how are you? Welcome to today's lesson. Today, I came to learn how to make a homemade sculpture. Before we go to the lesson, I would be happy if you guys support me with your likes. Well, let us go to the lesson. Well, as you know, I always want to follow. I am a builder. I try to provide you with the things I know without any cost. Those who have little stone powder can use cement because I am trying to tell the important points here so that you don't get into trouble when the powder you mixed the stone. Be careful, you have to stir it for at least 40 seconds to 1 minute. And one thing, those who want to start doing this now, but they are hesitant to say that I, like you, was hesitant for a day, but with this work, I was able to change my life. You can also do your work at home with this work, and you can spend your day at home without a huge investment and have fun, and you can earn money by selling things. They are trying to deceive you just for more visits. I have gone through these ways before, but none of them paid me any money, and it is just talk, and I am not saying this to say that I am very honest, but I do not like the way I went before, and only if it's a failure, you go. So the best thing to do, and with a very small investment, you can start this work right now. At the end, don't forget to like, friends.